Welcome to 1011 Beatty Downs, Unit B2. This first floor, 1 bedroom, 1 full bath apartment home. It's located in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-26. Harbison dining and shopping, Lake Murray, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we are inside the unit. We started the video right outside the door. So right off the entry, you can see there is an open floor plan configuration inside. You have a nice sized living room with a ceiling fan and windows out towards the front. The living space is open to the kitchen, which has a counter bar. There also is a coat closet here off the entry to the left of the door as well. See, the kitchen is a nice size. You have an included refrigerator, above range microwave, electric range, and on this side you have a laundry room, full size. You can see there's space for side-by-side washer and dryer, or possibly stackable as well. And then you have 1 bedroom off of the living space, and it has a private or ensuite bathroom. You can see the closet here behind the door. 2 bifolds, and the aforementioned bathroom with tile flooring in here, as well as a large single vanity and tiled shower and tub. And then you can see that the bedroom is a nice size as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is Unit B2 at 1011 Beatty Road. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.